everybody. Get more fire extinguishers in the house, please. Get the ones in the front. Everybody back. Push them back. Anybody who's got a fire extinguisher, please come up and pitch in with it. Thanks, Peter. If you can't help with it, I'm telling you, stand back right now. Ladies and gentlemen, get it up! Well, there's never a time when we're making guys come in here that something memorable doesn't happen. Oh, shit. You rock, dude. Oh, shit. Now, I got a question for every one of you. When you're 95 years old, you got 3 teeth in your head. Are you going to forget tonight? I don't think so. Oh, yeah, how about a fundraiser? Damn. Holy shit. All right. Well, damn, we're having a good time at the Broken Spoke. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and just cycle a paint set up here. And we got some more treats for you. Couldn't